Hello guys, welcome. It's the next part of this final episode of the Project Manta Bodywork. Now, after the doors have been painted and then sanded with 800 grit or 1000 grit, they were clear coated and then the body was painted. This was all done by Freddy, a technician from Forum Colorum, who also helped me to decide which materials to use, which steps to use and everything. So a lot of his advices were actually responsible for getting this car also looking the way it does. Now after that, Freddy has unfortunately fallen ill, so Alex, another technician from Forum Colorum, stepped in to clear coat the body. Now thank you to both Freddy and Alex and Forum Colorum for making this amazing finale, so the car looks the way it does. And yeah, enjoy the episode. Today I have stopped at the paint booth because the parts in the car have been coated with clear coat. Now we have used this Standox K9550 clear coat and now the parts have been covered. Now they're going to sit for a little while and then we're going to come and pick it up. So this is going to be the next step, put the car together, get it on the trailer and get it back home. So yeah, looks great. epic either. Okay, so the car has been transported back to the workshop where we have stored it away, because I started working on other stuff like the axles and everything, because the car still needs to be put together in order for the car to be finished, because right now it's just a beautiful sculpture. So at this stage I would like to say thank you for helping me out with the project, with advices. Thank you again to my friends, my family, and Forum Colorum and Standox, and also to you viewers for watching, liking, commenting and subscribing to this project. Now at this stage I'm going to ask you to let me know what kind of content you want to see next. If you're interested in assembly process, we can film that. If you want to wait and then have more videos of the driving or like road trips and stuff, we can do that, but you're going to have to wait for a while for that to happen, because I still need to put the car together. But yeah, let me know. Thank you all for watching this and for following my project. It is definitely a demanding project, but it has been my dream for as long as I can remember, and I am glad that you have been with me for the whole time. So thanks, and see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.